Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning a dua that is the best dua for the health of body and ears and eyes. So when we request Allah, Allah will accept inshallah. Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he revealed that the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he was to read this dua also. So we have to request Allah with this dua. Inshallah, we will be healthy. Our body will get health from Allah, ears and eyes. So we read this dua. Inshallah, you have to try read this dua every day. Allah will give you health inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم آفني في بدني اللهم آفني في سمعي اللهم آفني في بصري لا إله إلا أنت اللهم آفني في بدني اللهم آفني في سمعي اللهم آفني في بصري لا إله إلا أنت Allahumma, O Allah, Aafini, bless health, fi badani, to my body. Allahumma, O Allah, Aafini, bless health, fi sam'i, in my ears, in my listening. Allahumma, O Allah, Aafini, bless health, fi basari, in my eyes, in my seeing or looking or watching. La ilaha, there is none worthy of worship, illa anta, but you. Allahumma aafini fi badani, Allahumma aafini fi sam'i, Allahumma aafini fi basari, la ilaha illa anta. O Allah, bless health to my body. O Allah, bless health to my ears. O Allah, bless health to my eyes. There is none worthy of worship but you, O Allah. So when we request Allah, inshallah, Allah will accept our dua, but we try our best. First of all, we have to make tawbah astaghfar, because many sins or evils have been done by the body, by the ears, by the eyes. So we have to request Allah for forgiveness and tawbah astaghfar. After that, you do this dua, inshallah, Allah will accept. Because the sins or evils are dirty things. So they are making more dirty. If a person who is more sinful, that person is more dirty person. How is possible you can see the place where you live? If that is too much dirty, you don't want to stay there. But if you feel that your body has done so many sinful acts, then automatically you have to request Allah for forgiveness. Otherwise, how is possible that Allah will watch, Allah will look at your body that is so much filthy, so much dirty? Same like that, if the ears if we listening something that is out of Sharia, that is not allowed in Islam, it means we are making our ears dirty. And same like that, if something which is not allowed to see with our eyes, according to Sharia, according to Islam. So if we are just to look at that, and our eyes become sinful and dirty and filthy. So if our body, ears and eyes, if they are filthy, they are dirty, then how it is possible Allah's mercies will fall on that? So we have to request Allah for just with astaghfar, request Allah for forgiveness, whatever has been done. So request Allah that Allah forgive all the sins, all the evils, all the bad things that have been done by the body parts or body or by the ears or by the eyes. Then we have to request that request this dua after astaghfar tawbah, inshallah, then Allah will accept our dua. Because after astaghfar tawbah, our body, our ears, our eyes will be clean, because Allah accept astaghfar tawbah. So after that, when we request Allah with this dua will be accepted, and inshallah Allah will bless health in our body, in our ears, in our eyes, and we will get the blessings of health, inshallah.